Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlall, speaking on his weekly program Issues in the News, announced that the first phase of the automated speed ticketing system will officially be launched on Monday. The initial phase will focus on two offenses, speeding and driving without seatbelts. He explained that cameras will capture images of violating vehicles and record their speed. The data will then be sent to a central database where it will be reviewed. Once an offense is committed, an electronic ticket will be automatically generated.
That ticket will be sent to the registered owner of the vehicle by WhatsApp, by email, by registered post, and will also be manually served.
The Attorney General noted that ticket will specify the offense committed and the penalty, and individuals who wish to plead guilty can pay the fine at a designated court or payment center.
If one wishes to challenge that ticket, then one will have to appear at a magistrate's court that will be indicated on the ticket.
He assured the public that the system has been thoroughly reviewed and is ready for implementation. Meanwhile, Traffic Chief Assistant Commissioner Mahendra Singh, in an interview on Radio Eve Larry, clarified that the only devices responsible for recording offenses and issuing tickets are the overhead cameras installed along various roadways. He emphasized that the speed radar signs, which displayed a driver's speed, are not enforcement tools, but rather a traffic calming measure.
There should be no confusion with the speed cameras and the speed radar signs. One is a traffic calming measure, and one addresses specifically that offense of exceeding the speed limit.
He further explained that these high-tech cameras have a reach of over 500 feet, allowing them to detect speeding vehicles from a significant distance. Last year, amendments to the Motor Vehicle and Road Traffic Act enable the use of 24-hour surveillance cameras on major roadways. These new laws will help authorities identify drivers who speed or fail to wear seatbelts. With hundreds of road deaths occurring over the years, these automated measures are expected to serve as a deterrent, reducing speed, reckless driving, and ultimately road fatalities. Tiana reporting for the HGP 93 News.